Step 6, experimentation with form. We are learning how to build basic shapes out of cardboard, or in this case, we're going to use chipboard. Turning the page to page 2, it's the last one at the bottom. We are making half of a box, so it has to have 3 sides and cut out of cardboard, or in our case, chipboard. It can be 3 to 6 inches tall. The first thing you're going to want to do is set up the pieces that you need to cut out. So you would need to measure out 6 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches. And then because you need 2 marks to make a straight line, you would go to the other end and go 6 inches, 6 inches, and 6 inches. Then I recommend keeping them all together as a strand, which means you would now need to measure out 6 inches on this side, and then go to this side and measure out 6 inches. And now it's just a matter of connecting the dots. So here's my first piece, and my second piece, and my third piece. Cutting them out. Again, you'll notice I go right to the edge of the scissors, and you'll notice I pull up the chipboard as I cut. And as soon as I can, start pulling that chipboard up as I cut. Cut off the extra. Now, it is important that these pieces are cut out correctly. If these pieces are not all the same size, it wouldn't work as a complete square, and so I'll make you go back and do it. So you do want to take time to check and see that all your pieces are accurate. They don't have to be perfect, but they should be close. So as I stack those up, they're not perfect, but they are close enough for the purpose of this experiment. Then I head over to the hot glue gun station. Again, I want to tag what I am doing before I then add some tape. So I'm putting down 3 dots of hot glue. I am then taking my board and I'm wiggling it around in the hot glue, and then I am taking it right to the edge. Then I'm going to come around on this side, and I have to work quickly. I'm going to wiggle it in the hot glue here, wiggle it, and some hot glue there. And this is where you're going to find that you wish you had a friend. So if you're by yourself and you're like, ooh, wish I had a partner, this is a good sign that you want to make sure you have a partner for the purpose of this class. Then even once I've tagged it, you'll notice I still am going to kind of play around with it a little bit, and that's where the hot glue is helpful. And then very carefully, not burning myself, I'm going to tag it up top. As well. And then this is the hard part. I just have to wait patiently for it to dry.